in just a matter of a few short weeks, Daniel will be out here and hopping around. We'll see if I can get him to talk a little bit about, preparing for spring for your garden.
Do you want some breakfast? Who's that under you? Salty!
That's right, spring is around the corner. Wasn't that kind of cute? Anyways, yes, it's chilly here in Nova Scotia. We're in about middle of March. As you can see, we got lots of snow, and I'm itching to get out in the garden. I spent most of the winter just kind of going through seed catalogs and ideas of what I'm going to do this year. And, this year is going to be more just like kind of going through what I planted in the past few years and see how everything's growing. Some things I'm going to have to dig out. Other things I'm going to have to put, trim up and keep up. But one thing for sure, I certainly have gained a little bit more weight, and I am thinking I'm going to need to start doing a little exercising. Well, first of all, I'm going to start off with my little shears here. And you know what? This is a really good bicep workout. So it's just kind of like just, spread those arms out and then reach up to the sky. Oh yeah, I can actually get a little higher. And you know what? This is actually, really good. And then you got the big branches and all that stuff. Yeah, so I'll just do this for a few minutes. Yep. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so now we're going to do the shoulder workout. This is a really good one for the back and the shoulders and all that stuff. So it's just using typical garden rake. And we are going on. What's going on with the dog? Figures. Anyways, yeah, this actually does a good shoulder. And in that way, I'm going to practice actually, I'm doing my potatoes. I think I just want to kind of watch the dogs because you know what? That's a good workout right there. Alright, so I kind of got my upper body worked out and all that stuff. So now I got to do my legs, And a really good one for the legs is actually this little garden fork. And this is actually excellent in case you need to actually dig up some perennials or some plants and all that stuff. And you can just kind of dig around it, scoop it up, and then you don't have to really use a shovel. And it just takes most of just the roots and the soil that's around the roots. Really easy because we have rocks here. And every time I actually dig, well, hit a rock and, yeah. Anyways, should just do a little workout. Wow, this sucks. The ground's still frozen. I never thought of that. So the most important thing for every gardener to actually do is actually have a nice looking butt. And yeah, so actually the best thing for that is a wheelbarrow. So you fill it up and you'll have the best butt in the neighborhood. And that's well, in our household, it's kind of a good thing. Another good exercise, if your fingers haven't really been used all that much during the winter like mine, actually grabbing these are a fantastic way of actually strengthening your fingers and your hands. And so, anyways, just grab yourself a nice small stick, maybe something like this, and yeah, and then just practice away. Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, maybe if I turn it this way. Okay, forget it. Anyways, that's my workout for this week. I'll have more maybe some other time.